Okay, in solving for the variable, we recognize that this is a set of equivalent fractions, also known as a set of equal ratios, also known as a proportion. And a proportion can be solved always by cross multiplying. Now I'm going to do it this way and I'm going to show you a simpler, more straightforward way, and you can choose which way you like to do it in your corrections. When I cross multiply 6 times x, I can write 6x. I have an equal sign here. 10 times 9 is 90. And then this is just a one-step equation. So in order to get rid of this 6 that's being multiplied, I would divide. And when I divide by 6 on both sides, 90 divided by 6, let's see, 90 goes inside, 6 is outside, 1 times 6 is 6. I'm sorry, 9 minus 6 is not 1, it's 3. Thank you. 6 and goes into 30 5 times. So my answer would have been 15. So that would be the solution for x. However, like I said, there is actually a more straightforward, maybe simpler way to do this. If I rewrite the problem, since I've kind of drawn all over it. So this is what we started off with. 9 is to 6 as x is to 10. Since this is a fraction, we can simplify this. Now we can't ever simplify across in a proportion because there's an equal sign in the middle. It's not a multiplication dot. But this fraction, this improper fraction 9/6, we can simplify. They have a common factor of 3. So 9 divided by 9 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now why is that helpful? Because now you see, oh, hey, I know what to do here. This is a set of equivalent fractions. I can just multiply by 5 on the bottom. 2 times 5 is 10, and whatever I do in the bottom, I do on the top, and guess what 3 times 5 is? If you said 15, you're right. So that's another way to solve this exact same proportion.